Hello friends! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In Filmora's group, people complain regularly about Filmora support not replying their emails or reply very late. So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can contact Filmora team through their live chat. With live chat, you will get reply in minutes and get your problem solved immediately. So let's get to the video. First, go to wondershare.com. You will see chat button on right side of window. If you don't see this icon, refresh the page. Click on this icon, then input your email and click contact. N. Select Filmora from list. Now in next window, type chat now. And click on chat now button. Now you can live chat with Filmora representative. Just type your name, email, and your query. Now if Filmora agents are busy, you will be added to the queue list. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, share it with your friends. And to watch more Filmora videos, please subscribe to my channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video.